When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I spent so long on my makeup today. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. But I think that I have like so much stuff on, so many exciting things. It's like my eyes won't stop watering. So my eyes just feel very wet. Yet I'm not crying. Amazing. Also, I have on no wig cap today. So you can probably see my natural hair poking through, but hey, what are you gonna do when you have no wig cap? I just got done filming a video for my main channel. I got this really awesome fashion PR, like kind of possibly a mystery box, because one of the things that this website sells, it is a really awesome brand. It's called Escape. They make amazing like sunglasses, accessories, some clothing, some shoes. I don't think there's any shoes that could possibly fit in this box, but one thing that the company does is they put together like bundles of mystery sunglasses. So I just like requested some items that are my favorite, but I don't know what they had in stock, I guess, or what they picked to send me. So I thought that it would be so much fun to delve into this box. I think that this brand is also a sister brand of one of my favorite shoemakers of all time, which is YRU. I know that you guys have heard me talking about that brand before. Ew, it's like everything fit in this super cute little bag. I don't think, oh my god, there's like one thing under here. It feels like glasses. Look at this cute little, it's like a teal drawstring bag. Oh, so there is how the brand is spelled. Escape. That's not how you normally spell escape, right? Now I don't know how that word is spelled. My god. Let's see if these, yes, oh my god. These are television sunglasses. They have them in a couple of different colorways, but I am kind of just like a silver glittery kind of person. So you can wear them like this, and I feel like this is like a little bit more like normal way to wear sunglasses. Or look at this. There is a old school TV antenna that like folds down on the side. So like you don't have to have it if you don't want to like, you know, pick up signals of the aliens that I'm desperately trying to communicate with and being like, hey, you forgot me down here. You left me behind, you know. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to do that. But look at that. I am totally going to wear them like this every single time that I wear them. My eyelashes are so massive today that I literally like cannot put these glasses on and open my eyes at the same time. It's amazing. But yeah, I love these. I think that they also had them in, I want to say gold and pink. Pink was very, very tempting as well, I must admit. Also, I have to say these feel like very, very comfortable. I don't know if you guys are like me and you also just have like a big giant head, but a lot of times plastic sunglasses like this will honestly like squeeze the sides of my head too tightly, but these are very, very comfortable. So very happy about that, because that means I can like actually wear them for things other than just like an Instagram photo. So let's go ahead and open this. This looks like one of those reusable drawstring backpack things. So yeah, that's definitely what it is. Ooh, we have straps. Ooh, we have shoes, and I thought that these were so pretty. Okay, so I don't know if this is like a part of that, but I have to tell you guys, this brand makes, what is that stuff? I'm gonna go ahead and just like insert a picture in here. Like it's fabric that's supposed to stop like the telephone waves from entering your body. They have like a jacket like that. So I don't know if these shoes, like the material looks similar is what I'm trying to say. It's like this metallic. I love these so much. So it says the brand on the back, and these socks are like actually attached and inside of the shoes. And then they have this really cool like chain lacing, which I feel like that is so magical. So I'm gonna try these on and hop around for you guys, and then that way y'all can see. I really like, oh my god, I just love how these like look. So I just ran outside super quick and did a little miniature shoe try on haul for those baby pink shoes that we just unboxed. And I have to be honest, I am not used to operating with long nails or fake nails of any kind. So I don't think I was able to like tie them properly because the chain laces obviously came untied during this clip, and it was harder for me to put them on because I've got the temporary talons, but they're very comfortable like in the shoe part. And I think that the metallic baby pink is like such a fun color. So I definitely love the shoes, love the glasses. So I actually have a couple more little boxes that came in the mail that I was gonna open with you guys. We're just kind of hanging out today. Today's video is kind of random. I have a very, very exciting thing that just came in, and it came a day late because I thought it was gonna be part of like yesterday's unboxing. But you guys, I'm so excited for this because I'm gonna start doing more vlogs, obviously, but I want to be able to like use different cameras to get like, I don't know, to just like make them like more visually exciting. So I saw this camera, and I actually saw it under the context of, they have this thing called a drifter, and it literally looks like a Nerf ball, and you just like throw it and capture like mid-air. It looks totally different than a drone shot. But it's this little camera. I keep wanting to call it Instax, Insta360 1X. It's a 360 action camera, but it's not like the same as the 360 VR that we were doing last year. So yeah, I don't know. I'm very excited to test this. I got that from Amazon, and then I also got this little lanyard to go with it because I cannot live my life without lanyards. Like, I have a lanyard on my phone too, because if I didn't, even though now I have a pop socket, if I didn't have a lanyard, we would be in trouble. I'd be dropping it all the time. So this like just screws into the little, does anyone care about this? This screws into the little tripod base at the bottom. So yeah, I don't know. I'm like wanting to go out and about and like do some makeup shopping videos, and I just thought that that would be so fun for that. I'm really trying to understand how this works. You guys, I think they sent me the wrong dang thing, because the thing that I thought I was ordering had like a tripod screw-in base, and this is clearly just a lanyard. I don't know what happened there. Then I got a box from Sigma. I went ahead and just sliced everything open because the camera's overheating like it always does. So, ooh, these are new skincare brushes. I'm gonna be honest, I love this clay mud mask one. I kind of don't know why. They're saying new skincare brushes. Oh, now available individually. That's what makes them new, because I'm like, I've been using these for like over a year. I love using this for like glam glow. Oh my God, I just stabbed it with a knife. This packaging, that's the only thing I wish Sigma would change, is their individual brush packaging. I'm struggling. Okay, there we go. I think I finally got it. So this one is my favorite one because it's so, like, I was trying to finish this statement, but if you like to use like glam glow and stuff, then this is like a really sanitary way to apply it. And then it's like so easy to just rinse this off and have it fresh again. Glam Glow does come with one of these little silicone things, but it's so much smaller. I just feel like this is like so much bigger. It's more efficient. And then they have a lot of fiber. Like this one is for serum, this one is for gel mask, this one is for moisturizer. My God, I've never tried to apply moisturizer with a brush. What am I missing out on? Oh, look, a tiny silicone spatula. You probably can't see that through the glare. And then we've got, ooh, I'm gonna start using that for my eye products, a really tiny silicone spatula. So I'm very excited. And then I just have a couple things that I just want to share with you guys, even though I'm sure y'all are sick of me talking about this already. You guys, I do have a Joker obsession. So I'm starting a new Joker themed Ita bag. And I talked about this in my weekly vlog a couple weeks ago. I'm actually gonna try for the very first time to make my very own Ita bag. I found this pattern on Etsy. I will link it to you guys down below just in case y'all sew and you wanna make your own custom Ita bag as well. I've like already started gathering items on Etsy, even though this is like, I feel like it's super hard to find. So this comes from a store called Smudge and Frank. Yeah, Smudge and Frank on Etsy. And this is so cute. It's literally done in like Ita bag style. So it is a little double-sided acrylic keychain. Look at how cute he, and then there's like the back. That is so cute. I wish they made more, but like in different poses and stuff, because I would so order them. And then I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to use this in the Ita bag, but I might just like use it for my planner instead. Let's see who this is from. I hate to just like say the person's name. Oh yeah, okay, because they actually have a store name. So I ordered this, and I don't know, I think I might use like one on my planner, stick one on my car, I don't know. The store is called 7-1 Sticker Co. But how cute is that? It's like a little illustration. So I just got one sheet. They come in different sizes too. I think I ordered the size that I wanted, but it also came with this little bonus, which is so cute because it's like cartoonized Jack Nicholson Joker. Love it. I'm here for it. I felt like I had one other thing to show you guys, but now it's gone. Is that it for today? You guys, I want to go, how many times have I said you guys? I wanted to go to Sally's today because I got another wig in the mail and I'm like dying to dye it. I actually want to make 2 wigs. You guys, if I say you guys one more time, feel free to punch me. But I really regretted today not having a red human hair wig. I love this color, but synthetic to me is sometimes so difficult to style. I feel like for synthetic wig, this is really good quality. This was one of the ones that I got off of Amazon, I think for less than $40. And as it goes, it's like so much easier to style and so much better quality than like getting a Halloween costume wig. But I don't know, I just like, I wanted to do like cute things in the front. I wanted to try and like crimp it, and it's not possible with a synthetic wig. I just have to go get this wig. I'll be right back. I was trying to explain my wig regret, because if you guys remember this is the first one I ever dyed, and I was trying to dye it orange and it came out more red. And then I was like, no, I wanted it orange. So I faded it out and I actually did crimp this one. And then I really wanted to wear it for like Valentine's Day stuff, but it's too orange. It's too orange for Valentine's Day. So now I'm just like, you know what? I am gonna make myself a red wig and not just like re-dye this one. You guys, I'm having a wig crisis over here, which is funny because I feel like I love wigs and I love the concept of wigs, but then I like so rarely wear wigs that I'm like, what are you even doing? What are you doing with your life? And I also want a blue one. I want a blue wig as well. Red and blue. And pink. Do I want a pink one? I don't know. Anyway, long story short, I'm basically incapable of styling synthetic wigs, but I think that this is like okay. I steamed it so that it would be straighter, and I powdered it so it would look less shiny. Now I'm just rambling. Anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. See, look at this. I don't even have a wig cap on. Did I say that already? Wig caps are just too painful. So yes, there we go. I feel free. My head feels free. Anyway, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing, awesome day wherever you are. Until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!